Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to use signal generator with oscilloscope in Tinkercad. So first you have to create a new circuit. Here you cannot find the oscilloscope and signal generator. So go to this library section and go to all. Under the instrument section, here you can find the function generator and oscilloscope. So select this one and oscilloscope. Then connect the positive to positive. Negative to negative. Then you can click the oscilloscope. It will show the time per division. So you can change to the 1 second. It is easy for you. Then here you can change the signal. Click here. The frequency of the signal is 1000 Hz. Just reduce 1 Hz because your time duration is 1 second. So for 1 second there should be a one wave generated. Here amplitude is 5 voltage. Then offset is the middle point of the wave, so that should be 0. So change the 0 into 0. Then the signal is square wave. So here you can change the wave type: square wave, sine wave, and triangular wave. So we first run with the square wave. So after change those parameters, go to run start simulation. Then it will create the simulation. So here according this one square is 1 second. So the one whole wave is generated between the 1 second. So that means frequency is 1 Hz. Then stop simulation, change to 2 Hz simulation. Here you can see there are two waves in one under the 1 second. So that means frequency is 2 Hz. So according to that you can change the type of the waves. So change this to triangular wave, and this one is 1 Hz. Then simulate it. Here it is generate the triangular wave. So likewise you can generate those three type of waves. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel.